Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debrew. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 3 affiliate marketing secrets that you guys could be using for Instagram. We're going to take a look at some different tools and just basically some tips and tricks that will help you get an edge against some of your competitors and what everyone else is doing online with Instagram. So make sure you guys pay attention. Also make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see some more great affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Hey guys, again, my name is Dean with Team Debrew, and if you didn't catch the beginning of this video, we're going to be taking a look at 3 affiliate marketing secrets that you guys could be using to take advantage of Instagram. This is going to be different things on like how to get better reach for some of your posts, as well as some type of analytic tools that you guys could take a look at to get some better insight of what's happening with your page as well as some of your competitors. And then lastly, we'll talk about just kind of some overall tips and tricks that you guys can use for finding content that is already engaging, that a lot of people are liking, and that should work well on your pages as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first tip that comes to mind when using basically Instagram for affiliate marketing is you're going to want to take advantage of hashtags. So hashtags basically are going to be a great way to get extra reach for your pages, not only for the posts that you post in your feed, as well as when you post in your story. If you guys didn't know, if you guys post hashtags in your stories as well, you can actually be discovered that way too, as long as your profiles are not private. So make sure that you guys are using hashtags. I would say typically stick between 5 to 10. I wouldn't post any more than that, just because Instagram kind of has locked down a little bit more on hashtags than what they did in the past. So if you start posting a lot of stuff like that, they kind of get more aware of what you're kind of trying to do. And sometimes you'll kind of get these blocks where they actually won't let you post any kind of captions. It's really weird. I've had a couple accounts do that to me before. So typically what I've found to kind of prevent this is just post maybe 5 to 10 relevant hashtags. Typically what I like to do is I like to do them in kind of sections. So what I would do is I would find some hashtags that probably have around 10 to 100K likes in it, and then I would find another 2 that would have maybe between 250 to 500, and then anything after that I would probably find like 2 more that had between like 500,000 and a million plus. And that way you can kind of see different ranks of hashtags. And it also helps when you are trying to be discovered as well. You can kind of see where your competition is and what's needed to kind of get to that next level. So you can see basically maybe you'll be on one of the top hashtags for the lower ones, but you haven't quite hit the high one yet. So it kind of gives you something to work for, and you can kind of see how many likes and things that you'll need on your photos to be able to reach those points. So like I said earlier, it also helps with people trying to find you. So if they're searching for hashtags based on, let's say, pets, and you're running a pet page, it's going to help them find your pet page if you're popping up in some of the most recent hashtags for pets or the top hashtags for pets. So for example, like I just said, if someone types in, goes and looks for the hashtag yoga, you're going to see other people interested in yoga. Therefore, you can also follow them. These people, you can follow them and interact with them by either liking or commenting, DMing them, and basically building a trust with them. And in return, they're going to start seeing what you're posting about. They're going to see all of your, whatever's in your bio, what kind of photos you're posting, all of that great stuff too. So hashtags are a great thing, a great benefit that I would definitely recommend taking advantage of within Instagram for affiliate marketing. The next one is going to be in terms of analytics. So one resource that I use almost every single day is igblade.com. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys IG Blade so you guys can kind of see how it works. But basically what it does is it's going to give you insight not only on you, but basically any kind of Instagram page. It's going to give you insights on like daily growth, daily engagement rates, like any kind of drops, things like that. You'll have some different chart breakdowns, and it'll just be some nice daily analytics that you can use for not only growing your page, but also checking out how your competitors are doing, what they're doing, different things like that. And then also Instagram itself has an analytics page if you guys haven't already found out. You can connect and turn your pages into a business account by simply adding it to a Facebook page. So once you do that, that'll open up a lot of analytics for you as well, where you can see your growth over like the last 7 days. You can see your reach over like the last 7 days, and you can actually even see even more detailed breakdown between what kind of age groups are interested in your page, what kind of gender, so male or female, and also the location they live in. So it'll give you a lot of information on your page that'll help you with growing your page, with promoting different offers. You'll know what kind of regions to promote in. If you have a younger or older audience, all these things will be able to help you with valuable insights on what to do with your page and how to promote things on it. And then lastly, the final step is obviously you're going to want to post quality content, engage with people like I was saying earlier. So if people are commenting on your thing, you don't want to sound like a robot saying the same thing over and over again. You want to engage with them, tell them thank you, hey, thanks for watching, thank you for your support, mix it up. That way you don't seem like a bot, just kind of in the motion of different things. And then when it comes to finding quality content, one of the best ways that I've seen to find quality content, for example, let's say that you run a dog page once again, I would go over to someone else's dog page. I would see which post that they made and that had a ton of comments, had a ton of likes, that really got really good engagement, that a lot of people liked, and I would just repost it on my page. And typically I'll have the same results on my page where I'll get a lot of comments, I'll get a lot of likes, and I'll get a lot of engaging people on the actual post itself, because the post itself is just good. And just because it was posted somewhere else doesn't necessarily mean that they won't see it on your page as well. Or some people like seeing things more than once sometimes just to get another memory of it. So it works out. Keep that in mind, guys. Obviously, you don't want to steal every single thing. You want to mix it up and really only show like the quality engaging stuff mixed in with some of the stuff that you're creating on your own as well. So these are the 3 tips that I think were going to be great for affiliate marketing. The 3 secrets that a lot of people don't know, especially like with the IG Blade, things like that. So with that being said, let me go show you guys a little bit about IG Blade. So it's just basically where you can track any Instagram, as you can see here. So I've gone ahead and tracked 2 Instagrams just for today to show you guys. The Keto Bible and Pets. Both of these have been in previous videos that we've made surrounding Instagram. But as you can see a brief overview of kind of like how many followers they have, posts, bio, all this type of stuff. You can change the date range over here, set up some favorites. So if you have some pages that you're running and you just want some quick insights on your pages, you can favorite them and see them right away for you too. And then if you scroll down, you can see some growth statistics. So monthly growth, average comments, average likes, daily growth, followers over the week, followers over the month, the last 30 days, and you can kind of see engagement rates, if it's increasing, decreasing, just a lot of information about different pages, as well as you can see different charts here based on like followers, graphs, engagement, basically charts of what we just saw a minute ago. And then I believe you can see some of their top posts as well.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.